to my Uncut Mommy Vlogs where you get raw content.
Today is Saturday and my kids are helping me load up the car with the packages from my small business. After we go to the post office and drop off these packages, we will be going to have fun at Catch Air. It's a really great place for kids to jump around, have fun, and burn off energy. So in the process of them getting ready to pack up the things to leave, we have a sudden surprise, and you'll see the rest. It is so hard loading my kids up in the car, especially my youngest son. He does not want to get off the scooter. He doesn't want to get in the car. So he's about to bug out, jump up and down, and fall on the floor. But guess what? He's going to pick himself up because I'm not. This dusty hole keep breaking down, and I'm still making payments on it. God forgive me. I'm about to go to Magic City and get this money because this car keep breaking down, and it's $500 a month, and the insurance is breaking my back. The car battery is dead. We about to lay some hands up on this car. Devil, I rebuke you right now. Take your hand off of my car. I got to go. My kids is ready to have some fun, and I got to ship these packages. These people is stressing me out, talking about they want a refund, and I ain't got it. Oh, my God. My husband's looking for a screwdriver, but the car is a push to start. Oh, my God. We ain't going nowhere. He looking for a screwdriver. What you gonna do with that? Oh, my God. I know y'all about to try me about this car being dirty, but guess what? It's not your car. So if you really wanted to get clean, go ahead, send me a little cash app Zelle, and I'll get it clean. Fighting. Stop fighting. Move, Lex. Get out the way. Why y'all fighting for? So my husband pushing the car because Poppy from up the block came through with the pickup truck. And he about to give us a cute little jump. The kids going crazy right now, but guess what? I'm not concerned. I'm trying to get them out to Catch Air and drop off these packages. Like I said, I am in no position to give any refunds. So we got to get out of here.
Yeah, a little bit closer, right?
Thank you. You need my help?
Thank you, my friend.
When I tell you from moving down to Georgia, I rock heavy with all the poppies and the mommies. They've been holding us down. My kids is friends with the Ecuadorians, the Mexicans, Puerto Ricans, Dominicans. I mean, enchiladas for days. I'm messing with them hard body. I love you, my Hispanic people. Shout out to you. Thank you, Poppy.
You know, this is going to start right up.
Yeah, because it's a big car. This is that. Ooh, lock the door real quick so we can go. Run, lock the door so we can leave after this, Negro. What you standing there? Oh, God, I'm about to leave this man. Follow you around, matter of fact. Oh, look, you said go on your march. Oh, my legs. Let me get for niggas' cars because you never know what can happen. Ooh, we in business, Daddy. Thank you. Yeah. Everybody say thank you. Say thank you. Wait, say it loud. Thank you, Poppy. Come on. Oh, shoot, about to hurt myself. Y'all say thank you loud to that man. Yes, LCCA, say thank you, LC. You want us to break down right away?
Yes. No, I'm caught.
You sweating? Oh, my God. Thank you.
Don't let them turn the car.
Just hurry up so we can go. Shut up. You'll be all right. I've been hot. I've been pregnant, too, with you. You gonna be all right.
Why she crying? Why she crying? Why she crying? Tell me. Why you don't leave her alone? You keep bothering her, do you?
She wants to come with us. She wants to come with me.
You need to leave her alone so we could go. I feel so proud of us. So, I found the guy to jump the car. Hold on, y'all. Everybody put your seatbelt on because you know life is short. But we can make it long by keeping safe. Put your seatbelt on, everybody. Life is short by making it hard. Woo, woo. So listen, guys. I made the, I heard the car moving. And I was like, can you give me a jump? God is so good. Thank you, Jesus. It's hot. Let's open these windows, though, because we ain't going to waste none of this battery. Open the windows, E. Y'all open the windows, guys.
Everybody sit down. Sit Sit down.
Y'all sit down.
Riding, baby.
Y'all gonna ride with me or
Out
not?
of there. I'm about to have some fun. Oh my God. Thank you for watching us. You can listen to the rest of the video. But it was a hassle. It's not easy with kids. But guess what? We make do. Even though we go through it, we still happy. Because we can always find a way out of no way. You see my nails? I had duck nails. They was mad cute. Look. My nails was so cute. But what happened was, washing dishes a lot kind of loosened up the nails, but look, they was so cute. I paid $110. If anybody know a nail spa in Georgia that do good nails like this for a cheaper price, let me know. Let me know. So I'm new here. I'm from New York. He from here. So he be taking me places and stuff like that, and I be figuring out some stuff, which is really good. But I would like to find something for about $75.